Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about internal CSS. Make a new file internal css.html, copy the previous code, change the title to internal CSS, we will keep the body part but we will place the styling attribute outside body, that is inside the head tags. And inside this we are going to style our other attributes such as p tag. I want to style my p tag, so I will write p and open two curly braces and write the styling part here. Right color, whatever color you want to make it, let it be green. Semicolon is very important because it marks the end of this parameter. Font size in terms of percentage, like 200%. Place a semicolon. Even if you don't place a semicolon in the last, still it will count, but in case of elements above, it's important to place the semicolon. Save the file and click on live preview. We can see the font size has already been changed. If I want to make it 3%, it will be of bigger size. Save this and see here. This was all about internal CSS. In the next video, we are going to learn about external CSS. Thank you for watching this video.